Wagi wa motungata makinyaniru thibitari-ini cia muingi makoretwo makiaga gukinyanira kumana na kwaga mibango mikinyaniru. Kuringana na minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahikagwe, thibitari ici gutire hindi igucoka kuneana mbeca iria marogotaga ciumanite na motungata ma urigiti kuri thirikari cia kaunti, indi mbeca icio irikagio akaunti-ini cia thibitari kuria irihuthikaga kugura ndawa hamwe na kugacirithia motungata maria marabatarania.
Money for health is for health. So let's make sure that the chief executive of this hospital gets all the money, the board of this hospital gets all the money that has come from NHIF and that has come from the normal collections in hospital.
Kagwa ugite ona gutuika thirikari niri mahuraga njeki mathina maria makoretwo makiyumiria mawagi wa ndawa nimekunyihanyiha.
And the county government agrees on a check-off system for the KEMSA debts so that at any time if the county government owes KEMSA money is offset before the total amount allocated to counties is given.
Ihinda-ini riu ministry no niheanite uteithio wa irio kuri kaunti mugwanja iria ikoretwo ihatiriirio ni ng'aragu. Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria uteithio uyu, murugamiriri wa mihango ministry-ini no Rashidaman augite ciana nuthu milioni, atumia hamwe na iritu 134 kuma icigo-ini iria nyumu makoretwo ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni mirimu iria yumanaga na mirire miuru.
The acute malnutrition situation is expected to continue to deteriorate and may require at some point blanket supplementary feeding for all children aged between 6 and 59 months.
Kuringana na ministry no namba ya andu aria mahatiriirio ni ng'aragu bururi-ini irugameire milioni 4.1 na kaunti iria hatiririku makiria ni hamwe na Turukana, Wajir, Mandera, Marsabit, Garissa, Samburu na Isiolo. Thirikari ikiranira gukorwo igite keheri muigana wa ciringi bilioni 5.3 iria iguteithiriria hari kugacirithia mitaratara ya mirire miega,
80% of which will be committed to the procurement of essential nutrition commodities for both severe and moderate acute malnutrition.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.